Do you have an email account or do you often check your email in your inbox? I'm referring to using Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or Outlook to check your email. If your answer is yes, you're in luck because the information that I'll be sharing with you will enable you to make money between $1,500 and $3,000. Simply by opening and reading emails, you can earn money. A daily dream for the majority of us is the ability to get tens of thousands of dollars in our PayPal accounts. In the website that I'll be showing you, actual PayPal earnings can be cashed out by individuals from all around the world. Aside from a few challenging stages, no prerequisites for experience are required and no hoops must be cleared. Simply open the emails, read them, and you will be rewarded with money. The greater the number of emails that you read, the more money you will make. If you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll show you some incredible additional strategies that will allow you to make 3 times the amount of money that a typical person does. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. First things first, I'll show you some of the website's features. For starters, you receive paid emails on a daily basis. 2, they have a quick payment processing system. Your payout will be handled within 24 hours of receipt of your request. And 3, they have relatively low payout limit. Once you have reached the minimal requirement of $15, you can begin withdrawing your profits from your account. 4, registering for an account is completely free. However, when you sign up, you will receive a $3 welcome bonus and you will not incur any financial obligations. 5, you can earn extra money by participating in daily paid surveys where you can earn between 50 cents and $1 per survey completed. And last but not the least, you can also make an additional source of income by referring your friends, where you will be credited 15% of your referrals earnings for completing offers and taking surveys. Now, I'd like you to double check that you can have both of these items before we proceed any further. First, you must make sure that you've got a PayPal account in order to be able to collect your earnings from the website that I'll be introducing to you later. PayPal is the only payment method available for this website. If you don't have a PayPal account, do not worry. You can easily create an account for free. Sign up for a PayPal account by visiting paypal.com, and if you'd like to sign up for a free account, just click on the icon below. To finish, create a personal PayPal account and then fill in all the necessary information to have your account set up. Second, I want you to make sure that you have a working email address so the website can send you your daily paid emails to ensure that everything goes smoothly. I will show you how to create an email if you do not have one already. Now, I have recommendations for email platforms. You have the option of using either Yahoo or Gmail as your email service provider. Those are the 2 email addresses that are popular and most often used in today's society. I'd like you to search for Yahoo Mail in your browser and then click on the first result that appears. Yahoo Mail is an email service that offers 4 different email plans. 3 for personal use, basic plus and ad-free, and another for businesses. Though it has subscription charge, if you want to have it ad-free, the company still has over 225 million loyal users. With a Yahoo account, it is possible to receive paid emails and start making money online. The quickest way to get Yahoo Mail account is to click this Create an Account button right here, and you'll be requested to fill out the required information, which includes your full name, your email address, your password, and also your birthday, and you'll be good to go. The second email service that I would like to recommend to you is Gmail or Google Mail. Type this in your browser search box and then click on the first link that appears. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google that allows you to send and receive messages. In addition, it has 1.5 billion active users globally as of 2019, thanks to this large storage capacity and low cost of operation. By clicking on the Create a New Account button, you can create a new account if you don't have one yet. The typical procedure is followed. You enter your information and voila, you have a Gmail account. Both Yahoo Mail and Gmail may be downloaded for free from the internet. It is available in the App Store for iPhone and the Google Play Store for Android devices, respectively. It's possible to open this on your browser if that's more convenient for you. We should now move on to the website that will pay us to read emails. Now that everything has been completed, I want you to type Pay to Read Email into your browser's search bar, to get to the website that I'd like you to visit. Once you've done that, choose the first result that displays on the screen. You can earn money for your time and effort by reading emails, engaging in polls, completing offers, recommending friends, and a variety of other activities on paytoreademail.com. In addition to earning cash, you can choose to earn points that can be exchanged for gift cards rather than just cash. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, to get things started, we'll create an account on this website. When you arrive at the website's homepage, you'll find a sign-up form, and you'll be required to provide information such as your gender, your first name, email address, and of course, a password. And then simply click on the sign-up button below. As you can see on the next screen, you'll already have the other information, but I would need you to fill out the box with your last name and the zip code where you live in order to complete the form. Also, make sure that you check the box indicating that you agree with the site's terms and conditions and that you checked the I am not a robot box for verification. To finish the registration form, click on the Sign Me Up button, and you can see that you already added a $3 sign-up bonus to your account. Continue browsing and you'll find 4 different ways to get paid for your online activities. Participating in cash surveys, cash offers, earning points, and reading paid emails are all ways in which you can earn money. What we're going to do now is click on this Earn with Your Opinions button right here on this page. You'll be directed to this page, and as you can see in this example, each completed cash survey has the potential to pay between 40 cents and $1.20 in cash. There are 4 major categories to consider. First, your surveys, which you can do unlimited surveys. The more surveys you complete, the more money you'll earn in the long run. The second category is the opinion surveys, which is also unlimited in terms of answering surveys. For the third category, which is Dynatas surveys, you are only permitted to complete a maximum of 10 surveys per day. The final category is survey time, for which you will have a daily restriction of 1 survey. You can start taking surveys right away, which can take as little as 1 or 2 minutes, and you'll be able to earn 50 cents for doing so. It's a quick and easy process. Once the surveys have been completed and verified, the money will be deposited into your account. And the good news is that you can make up to $5 by doing short surveys on your phone. And there are a ton of options in each of those categories. As a bonus, I'll give you a tip right now that will assist you in increasing your revenue on this website. When you log into your account every day, make sure you complete all of the Dynata survey categories. If you complete all 10 surveys, you will receive $4 in your account. Following that, you'll be able to access an unlimited amount of surveys, each of which will pay you up to 50 cents each survey completed. You can explore more categories since there are a lot of ways that you could earn money here. The good news is that you have an almost limitless number of alternatives in each of these categories. After that, we'll move on to the final source of money that you can earn from. Finally, the most exciting part of this video, as well as the entire purpose of this video, is simply reading emails and clicking on the link contained within them. Once you're able to receive paid emails on your account, you'll just have to click on the email to read them, and then either click on the photos or the continue option to access the website. And then you're going to proceed and follow the provided instructions. However, most of the time you are not required to take any action. All you need to do is stay on the website for at least 30 seconds before proceeding. You have 30 seconds to look around the site to ensure that you are a human being and not a robot. Here you may simply browse the page by scrolling down to the bottom and back to the top again and just look around, as well as move your mouse around. This is possible on both your phone and your laptop. After 30 seconds, you'll be able to receive your funds, and then you can see this in your account from your dashboard. But keep in mind that you may occasionally get paid even more money by email. A special referral scheme is also available to help you earn extra money. You'll get 50% of all the referral revenues if you refer a friend, which is a free passive money because you didn't do any of the effort yourself. Once you reach $15, you could cash out all your earnings. As long as you keep doing this, you'll be able to cash out your earnings using PayPal. You can make money simply by opening and reading emails, which saves both time and effort. There are no any difficult steps to follow. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.